Good morning. It is day 11 on our Hildegard program. And as per usual, please close your eyes whenever you're ready. And just allow yourself to arrive to the here and now with every breath. Simply let go of the night. Let go of the thoughts, the feelings that came out of the night. Any dreams, any discomfort, release it all back into the nothingness where they all came from. And with the next in-breath, we move our attention inward and upward, just moving towards the heart and soul of it all, the center of the universe, the heart of God, the center of all loving peace. We allow our consciousness to move higher. Start seeing the light, the source of the light. And then we experience the bright, golden, white light pouring down on us, embracing us, holding us, always and forever. As soon as we move our attention into it, we can experience it. It comes with peace, the knowing of higher wisdom, the knowing of self, the beauty, the loving, the magnificence of life. And as we do that, we simply open ourselves to the wonderful words of Hildegard. My day begins. I saw a woman bowed to the ground under the assault of many whirlwinds. And I saw her regain her strength, pulling herself up, resisting the wind with great courage. We allow the words to stir us a little bit before we hear Hildegard's interpretation. I will remember that I am God's creation, and I will not yield to the devil's promptings, nor to the frailty of my humanity. I will wage war. When anger threatens to consume me, I will look to the goodness of God, who is untouched by anger. I will breathe the sweetness of his air, enjoy the gentleness with which he irrigates the earth. When hatred threatens to overcome me with darkness, I will look to God's mercy and remember the martyrdom of his Son. I will reassure myself by recalling that roses grow with thorns. And I will acknowledge that I have been redeemed. We allow these words to take hold in our consciousness We acknowledge that we are redeemed. There is no sin. There is only loving. My choice. Always my choice. Sin is nothing else but turning away from God, choosing anger, choosing bitterness, choosing pain. As soon as we choose and turn our face back to God, the source of all goodness and loving, we are redeemed. Immediately, God senses our choices and embraces us in peace, loving, and care. Throughout the day, we will contemplate on the following mantra. I will depend on God's mercy. I will depend on God's mercy. I will remember that I am redeemed. My choice. Thank you for meditating and contemplating with me this morning. Have a lovely day. Baruch Bashan.